What up, y'all? Bad Vibes Forever Collection here, back at it again with another unboxing from these nuts. Anyways, steel today. We got ourselves a freaking Bred OG Hoodie. Sorry about this, taking a while. There we go. There she is. Alright, put you down for a second, guys. And voila. Let's get it open. There she is. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. OG Bred Hoodie. Size tag was cut off. And then kill hand. Oh, this is actually a lot better shape than I thought. Yeah, it's cracked, but ain't no puff missing, you know what I'm saying? It's still all here. The gang's all here. Thanks for watching. Bye.